Alright, we have an update on the steering. You'll see I got the new boots. Toyota Fresh. And then I also replaced all the end linkages, which you can see they're all silver. Ah, man, this was a pain to get the alignment correct and all that because it just didn't work, but going by the manual. But now, if you'll see, like, that is nice and tight. There's no extra play in the assembly. And when you actually start the thing, let's see if I can get it. It holds steady. So you can start it. And don't have to worry about holding this in neutral. Because, yeah, it's fixed. So I only replaced the end links. I did not replace that center spring assembly in the middle because that was fine. These are pretty cheap. They're only like 14 bucks a piece. They're not OEM, obviously. But, oh, I gotta tighten that one. Screw, or the nut came loose. But yeah, it's like, it's night and day difference. It's like, it feels brand new. It's very responsive. It's very direct. There's no vagueness in the steering or the turning. So I'm very thrilled with this upgrade. I tightened down this a little bit more. I don't know if that's new oil or that's still old oil, but I tightened these down because it was still leaking. I don't know what's going on with that thing. So that's it. The boots were the most expensive. Unfortunately, they're only available through Toyota, and they're like $50 a piece. But it's just one of those things you have to bite the bullet for. If you don't care, then obviously you don't care. But every time you got in the thing, you could tell that the boots were just totally ripped. Dust and dirt gets in there and then coats the inside of everything. So it's like a one-time thing. And you're done. You know, it's good for the rest of the vehicle's life, hopefully. So, the primer is, let me do a new video on that one.